Today is tomato planting day. So we're digging our tomato holes where we have a few hundred starts we're going to put into this garden today. We've got really nicely mulched beds, really easy digging, and really rich soil.
No, it wasn't. It was like this. We put burlap down so the grass wouldn't grow, and then we put manure and wood chips on top. So over 3 years it has broken down into the nice brown soil.
First we're going to do a little alpaca deposit and some of Glenda's special tomato sauce.
So the tomato sauce is fertilizer, and it's basically just minerals. It's got it's got compost, Epsom salt for magnesium, phosphate I think it is, and it's got baking soda which is sodium bicarbonate. Then it's got lime, or you can use milk powder. It just has to have calcium.
Okay.
And the lime is ground really fine so that it's available fairly quickly. And then in each hole you put a handful.
Okay.
And then on top of that you put a teaspoon of sugar to get the funguses growing, because the fungus mycelium is what makes the minerals bioavailable.
First you loosen up the alpaca poop and mix it around with the other soil.
Okay, great.
Oh, I'm also taking the bottom leaves off so that when I bury it up, there's more stem for the roots to grow out of. It'll just grow out from whatever is buried. Take the plant out like this and dig a little bit deeper because we want to bury it up to the first leaf. And then push the soil back in.
Yeah, because there should be 3 on every
mulch it with the straw around.
Is that one long enough there? Okay.
And that's it.